Welcome students. So in the previous class we have discussed a problem, means one algorithm questions. You see, again I am continuing this. So I hope you understood, but one thing I left means this. Suppose I think you somehow confused, that's why I continue this. See, for search for item unsorted array, means you already know for unsorted array what we have to be define linear search, okay? And I hope this is your clear it. Counter is initialized by lower bound, and if the respective item is found at that array, your position will be the that index counter break. Otherwise it is continue to check the comparing with incremented the counter, okay? Means suppose this is an array 0 1 2 3 4 5 11 12 19 6 5 suppose 71. Suppose you compared with this 6 item is search for item 6, means you compare with this, compare with this, compare with this, in comparing with this, okay, and you found it, means search successful. Otherwise suppose the item will be search item will be 5, means you have to be incremented. No, 0 1 2 will be search, your counter will be incremented, so lower bound to it will be incremented, okay? And up to here, if greater than 5, suppose your item is 16, which is not in here, 11 12 19 16 not in here, means it will be unsuccessful. Greater than 5 means you have to be comparing in all the elements. 16 with 11, no. 16 with 12, no. 16 with 19, no. 6, no. 5, no. 71, no. Means your CTR is up to 5, we will not find the required item. And if CTR is greater than 5 means up to until greater than 5 means what? You just thinking logically, when greater than 5 means you have to be not possible to outside the array, na? That's why it is unsuccessful. And else if successful means you have to be swapping this with the previous one, means your for swapping purposes we have to take a variable temp, we take a variable temp, right, temporary variable. And suppose we found this 16, sorry 6, suppose I clearly show you. Okay, algorithm is already writing, so I erase it. Suppose this is an array 11 12 6 71 90 and 1. Suppose your item is 71 and you searched it for, okay? Now what is the difference? Your 71 will be next, your 71 will be 11 12 71 and 6 is goes here, means both with the previous one it will be exchange, okay? First of all 71 is 3 position, now your 71 will be 2 position, and 6 is 2 position and 6 will go to the 3 position, right? Means your position 71 position 3 means INF position means suppose 71, I just example, okay? 71 it will store in a temporary variable, and your position minus 1 6 is goes to the required position, means in here, means, and your position minus 1 this will be blank, and your position minus 1 71 will be coming. Position minus 1 means POS is equal in this case 3 and POS minus 1 is equal 2 in this case, okay? For this case I hope you understood, just think logically, right? Means it is exchanging, POS minus 1 means previous one, previous element, previous one, okay? Temporary variable is used for swapping the both value, okay? Now we have to be done problem for binary search, okay? Problem, some problem, mathematical problem which is coming in final exam, very important. You see, right, the steps to search. This type of questions carry at least 4 or 5 marks. Okay, you just remember at least 4 or 5 marks. If you writing in step by step in final exam, you got the full marks, and if you wrong it, then you can take 0. You can get 0. Means this is a pure maths. Okay, pure maths. That's why you see carefully, and if you any doubt, you can ask me. Write the steps to search 44 and 36 using binary search. Using binary search in the following array. In the following array, data. The array name is data. Okay. This is the array. You see. This is the array. 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. 10, 12, 14, 21, 23, 28, 31, 37, 42, 44, 49, 53. Right. Means if you see, this array is what? Sorted. This array is sorted in what? Ascending order. Means you have to use the formula of ascending order. Okay. You just first of all see the array. In questions, suppose this question is not coming exactly. Any other questions coming for, you know, in exam, any questions coming na. Like suppose in exam, suppose this type of array coming. That's your search for suppose this type of array coming. 50, 49, 48, 47, 45. And you write the steps to search 48. Okay, suppose this type of questions coming in exam. Then what you will do? You cannot use this formula in this one because this is descending order. Then your formula will be different. Means I tell you now, in ascending order what? If array mid less than item, beginning is equal mid plus 1, other beginning is last is equal mid minus 1. But in descending order what? If array mid less than item, last is equal mid minus 1, otherwise beginning is equal mid plus 1. Okay, that concept. That's why you have to first of all see the thing. Either it is ascending or descending. Then you have to solve it. Okay. See. We have to find 44 means this and 36. 36 is not here. Means we find it is unsuccessful. But how? Step by step you. Because write the steps. And that type of questions carry at least 4 or 5 marks. At least 4 or 5 marks in exam. Okay, but very easy to score this mark. Okay, step by step. If you remember the formula, search for 44. Okay, see, step 1, your beginning will be what? 1, and last will be 12. Mid will be what? 1 plus 12, 6.5 means you take as a 6. Right? Or you can write like this, okay? INT 6. Now your mid value will be this, right? Okay. Step 2, data meet data means data is your array name. Okay, in here data is capital, that's why. Data 6 is what? 28, right? That is data 6 is 28, and 28, first of all we have to steps for this. Okay, 44, 28 less than 44. Okay, correct? Means this formula applied, that AR mid less than item. In that purpose, what? Beginning is equal mid plus 1. Now your beginning is equal mid plus 1, or the mid 6 plus 1. Your new beginning will be what? 7. Your new beginning will be what? 7. Understood? Okay. After that, step 3. After that, step 3, your new beginning will be 7 and last is same 12. Means you see mid is equal int 7 plus 12 divided by 2. Means what? Int what? 19 means 9.5. Okay, means 9, right? Your new mid will be this 42. Again, data in 9 is what? 42 less than 44. Okay, again your beginning will be mid plus 1. Your beginning will be now 10. Now your beginning will be changed to 10. Now we done step 4. Now beginning will be 10, last 12. Int what? 11 means 11. And data in 11 is what? 49. You see 49 greater than 44. Now your this formula applied. Last will be mid minus 1. You see in here data 9 is again 44, which is less than 44 is what? AR mid 42, and AR mid is less than item. Your beginning will be new beginning 10. After that your mid will be 11, means this, and AR mid greater than item, means last will be mid minus 1. Step 5, beginning will be this time same. Beginning will be what? New beginning, this beginning 10, and last will be what? Okay, one step I forgot. 1 second. Mid what? Mid is 11. 11 minus 1, 10. The last will be 10. In step 5, you just continuously write down. Okay, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just erase it because no enough space here. You just write down continuously. Your beginning 10, last 10, int 10 means 10, your data 10 is 44, means your AR mid is equal to item, means search successful. Your search successful at location number what? Okay, write down, properly write down, 1 second. At location number 10. Okay, this. Okay, in book step by step diagram is draw in the book, you can see it. No need to be draw the diagram in the exam, you just simply write the steps, then you can get full marks. And if you want to draw the diagram, you can draw it. It is about yourself, but main thing is this mathematics formed step by step, beginning and mid part and last part. Okay, understood? Now we can done for this 36. See, 36 is not here. We have to find unsuccessful. How it is unsuccessful? We just say it. Search for 36. Okay, step 1, again we start from step beginning 1, last 12, mid is equal 1 plus 12, six. Okay, means plus 6 is 28 less than 36, means your beginning will be mid plus 1, means 6 plus 1 7, new beginning will be 7, last 12 27, (9.5) means 9, and data 9 is 42 greater than 36. Now your last will be sense, because mid value will be greater than item, last will be what? 9 minus 1 8. You see it. You understood? This is data. Okay, this is data. This is 6.5, right? In here, AR mid will be greater than item. That's why last will be sense. Now we done steps 3. Beginning was what? 7. Last is 8. What? 15 to 7.5, 7, your data 7 will be 31, which is also less than 36. Now again your beginning will be since what? 7 plus 1, 8. You see, when your beginning and last will be equal, then you can stop it. Beginning 8 and last 8 means beginning and last both are equal, means this is the last step. You see, eight and data 8 is what? 37, which is not is equal to 36, means SARS unsuccessful. When your beginning and last will be same, then it is the last step. You see the algorithm up to where we can search up to beginning is equal not last, there up to that we searches. When beginning and last is same equal, then the step is last step completed. Okay, so beginning 8, last 8. In order to be further, you can process it. Your 8 till 37, which is not equal to 36, unsuccessful, right? Okay, we have done one last program for this. For floating point array, this type of program is coming. Okay, this type of problem coming. Not exactly this array, some other array. I saw you descending or ascending some other value. This type of problem coming in exam. Last year, one questions coming. I think for 3 or 4 marks. Okay, this type questions is very scoring. If you just remember, it's a very very easy program. Just you carefully practice it in your home, and easily you can done in exam, final exam, and easily you can score it. Okay, this is very easy. Last questions. Write the steps to search (34.5) using binary search in the following array. In the following array, amount 7. You see, your array's name is amount. Seven means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See it. 60.4, 53.22, 41.05, 41.00, all are floating point, right? 39.20, 34.5 and 21.15. You see, this is sorted in descending order, means in here formula will be somehow different. Solution. You see, search for 34.5, right? Step 1. Step 1, beginning 0, last 6, mid value will be 3, means amount 3 is what? 41.00, 41.00 greater than 34.5. And here, when AR meet in descending order, when AR meet greater than item, where what is happen? Beginning is equal mid plus 1. You see in here, your beginning will be mid plus 1, means 3 plus 1, 4. In step 2, beginning will be 4, last is 21.15. Sorry, last is 6. INT 5 means amount 5 is 34.5, means we directly find the value. What is search for? Amount 5 is 34.5. Okay. Means search successful at location number 5. Okay then students, again I say you, see beginning 0, last 0, then in here when AR meet greater than item, in previous one not, in ascending order, if AR meet greater than item, last 2 is equal mid minus 1, but in this descending order, if AR meet is greater than item, beginning is equal mid plus 1, because this is descending order, that's why beginning will be sense. If ascending order, in this condition, last will be sense, last will be mid minus 1, but in descending order, if AR meet greater than item, beginning will be sense, beginning is equal mid plus 1, beginning 4, last 6, and directly find the value at location number 5. Okay, so it is enough for this session and the problem is over. In next class we done the program in C++ for binary search. Okay, thank you.